Hey everyone, how's it going? I found well, yeah, fold this up right there. There we go. Going through my CDs, and it's a mess, but I got a system. Basically, everything in the black CD holder there, I've listened to, make sure it works, and the right CD is in the right case. All these here I haven't listened to yet. All these here I haven't listened to yet. Some are new. I'm gonna play those too. Make sure they work. Because a lot of these I haven't touched in years. But this one is about one in particular. Billy Joel's Greatest Hits Volume 1 and 2. It's a 2 CD thing here. You know, you got the paperwork in there, and the first disc. The second disc is in there now. I've got it on pause to make this video, which shouldn't be too long. This is the receipt, and 7/7/2012 is when I bought this, and I bought Billy Joel, Greatest Hits, Big Country, Best of Big Country, which is in that holder there. I listened to that already. And then Aerosmith Big Ones, which is also in that holder over there. And movie, I think this was a movie, Vampires Suck. I think it's a, oh, for fuck's sakes. I'll wrap this up. I think that's a Twilight. I gotta answer that. Okay, I'm back. I need practicing editing. Anyway. Oh, I hope I wasn't covering the microphone. Anyway. Vampires Suck, I believe, was a Twilight parody. I don't remember, but 7/7/2012. That means, well, the only reason I would have been buying anything relevant to Twilight is my ex-girlfriend. I believe she liked it. And that was her birthday, 7/7. So, it's just weird to come across this receipt all these years later. And one, I've had these particular CDs for almost 10 years now. Well, for just about 10 years now, because it's May of 2022 as of this recording. And it's also just weird to think about, you know, now I'm 1,400 miles home, 1,400 miles from home, and you know, this, in a way, just kind of showed itself, like, hey, remember me? I don't know. It's crazy to think about how much has happened since then. It was about a year later that I met my most recent ex, but she was with somebody then, and yeah, then we were friends until we broke up, which we only dated a month, but still. It's just weird to come across this, and I'm gonna leave this in here because, like, it's just a receipt, yeah, but it's also part of the past. Oh, another kind of weird thing was that I found. Still using the point and shoot. Sorry, guys. I don't know where the other one is. But, these water shoes, I had never worn them. I've had them for a long time. I never wore them. They were still in the bag. I bought them, I had the receipt recently, too. That's not it. Well, I bought them in 2017 when I was going with my friend and his family to Fort Foster in Kittery, Maine. Which, if you haven't been there, it's nice. A lot of rocks though, so that's what I wanted these shoes for, and for whatever reason, I didn't end up wearing them. So, those were still brand new. Those got soaking wet, so I left them here on the boot dryer, and then I wore those out that night. Which, whatever. But anyway, just wanted to talk that little thing, and yeah, I'll talk to y'all later. Bye-bye.